Spanish Lyophilizer machine manufacturers collaborate with agriculture to develop freeze-drying tech for local produce, boosting agricultural modernization. As a major agricultural country, Spain's Lyophilizer machine industry drives agricultural upgrading. Freeze-drying extends shelf life, adds value, and raises farmers' income. Freeze-dried fruits and vegetables are popular domestically and exported globally. With Lyophilizer machine at low prices, exports bring new growth. Spanish freeze-dried products are favored internationally for quality and taste, entering high-end markets in Europe, the US, and regions like Asia and Africa. Exports increase farmers' income and drive related industries like processing, packaging, and logistics. The Lyophilizer machine industry vitalizes agricultural upgrading, aiding preservation, value-added, and export growth. Future innovation and demand may expand its global role.